Good morning, everyone.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Why is there no energy? Everybody is still sleeping.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
How were your Onam holidays? Enjoyed?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
very good. So, all of you ready? Back to my Onam holidays were also good. Thank you. Okay, so did you all read the lessons during the holidays?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Sure?
Yes.
Very sure?
Yes.
Okay. And did you practice writing or write and study the spellings also?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Okay. Very good. Okay. So can we start a new lesson today?
Yes.
Okay. Anybody did anything very interesting for the holidays? Let me ask. Did you all do anything different? Or were you just sitting at home, playing, sleeping, eating? That's all.
Yeah.
Okay. Did it rain at your place yesterday?
Yes. Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
It rained. Okay. Okay. Unknown, what do you do when it rains? Hmm? What do you do when it rains? Good morning. Yes, Joanne, can you tell me what do you do when it rains?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. What do you do, Joanne? Can the others please mute your mics? I cannot hear. Unknown, please mute your mic. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do when it rains, Joanne?
Nothing.
Nothing. Do you like the rains?
Yes.
Yes, you like it. Why do you like?
Because they like showers.
Okay. What else do you like about the rain? What else do you?
They will fall out from the clouds.
Okay. No, I said, what do you like about the rain?
The water comes out from the rain.
Okay, okay. Water comes. Okay, fine. Do you know why it rains?
No. No.
Stain, can you please mute your mic? That hen at your place is making a lot of noise. It is disturbing my class. Yes, okay. Do you know why it rains?
No.
No. Anybody knows why it rains? Do you know why it rains? Okay, no problem. So here we have a story about a little girl who wants to know why it rains. Okay? So our new lesson is called The Story of Rain. So you can open your textbook, page number 47. The Story of Rain. 46, yes, 46. The lesson is from 47. That's why I said 47. Okay, the story of rain. Shall I start? Yes, okay.
Yes.
Little Ahona was 3 years old. One day, she was sitting near the window and looking outside. It was raining. All the flowers and grass looked fresh and green. She asked her father, "Papa, why does it rain?" Papa put aside his newspaper and said, "When it is hot, water goes up in the air as vapor and collects in the sky and becomes clouds. When the clouds become too heavy, it starts to rain." Ahona was not happy with this reply. "I don't understand," she said. You will understand when you grow up, said Papa. Then he went back to reading his newspaper. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Abhinav,
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Abhinav, what did you understand from the first paragraph that I read?
She want to what is the rain. She can know what is the rain.
Okay. I want now next time. See, now we started classes in June, right?
Yes.
Yes, June, July, August, September. 4 months of classes we have had. And one thing I want is I want to see improvement. Okay? Especially when you're making sentences, you should try a little harder. Okay? You should not give me these broken sentences now. Yes. Okay. That is why I tell you, you should try and answer in your own words. Only then you can write in your own words or you can speak in your own words. Okay? Yes. Okay. So this story is telling us about a little girl by the name Ahona. Ahona. Ahona is a little girl. And one day she was sitting near the window. And what was she looking at? She was looking at the rainfall. It was raining outside. She was sitting near the window and looking at the rainfall. It was raining outside. And what does she see? She sees flowers and grass. Now, when it rains, have you noticed that the flowers and the grass and everything outside looks very green, right? There's so much of greenery outside when it is raining. All the flowers look very happy and it looks very fresh. Have you noticed that? Yes, okay. So when she looked outside, she saw that it was raining and all the flowers and the grass looked fresh and green. So at that time, as you see, she's a 3-year-old girl. And when you are children, when you're small, you always have doubts. Why does it rain? Why is there wind? Why do the birds make noise? Why do the dogs bark? All those kind of doubts all children have. Don't you have doubts even now? You want to know about things, right?
Yes.
Yes, you want to know more about things. So you keep asking questions. So similarly, when Ahona sees it's raining, she asks her father. Her father was sitting next to her and reading the newspaper. And she asks her father, why does it rain? Okay, and her father gives her an explanation. What does he say? He says that when it is hot, when there is sun and the sun is shining, it becomes hot, right? In summer season.
Yes.
Yes, when it is hot, the water from the lakes, the rivers, the ocean, all that goes up in the form of water vapor. Do you know what water vapor is?
No.
Do you know what water vapor is?
No.
Okay, have you been to the kitchen?
Yes.
Have you seen water boiling?
Yes.
When the water is boiling, there is a smoke-like thing going up.
Yes.
That is called water vapor.
What a waste.
Okay, next time when your mother is boiling water for tea, please go to the kitchen and you can see smoke-like thing going up.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Have you seen an inhaler where you inhale water when you have a cold or you have a fever? You inhale. Have you seen? With boiling water. If okay, I just request the parents, if you're sitting with your children, please show them what water vapor is.
Okay, ma'am.
Just if your parents are sitting with you, just tell them that in the kitchen when they're boiling water, ask them to show you that vapor going up. Okay? If you see, have you seen the pressure cooker?
Yes.
There is a hole in the pressure cooker where you put the whistle.
Yes.
Have you seen steam going up?
Yes.
Yes, that is a form of vapor. Okay, so that is water being evaporated and going up in the form of water. Water is in what form? Liquid form, right?
Yeah.
And when that water gets heated up, it changes to gaseous form. It becomes like a gas.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, I request the parents, if you are there, please show it to them so that they understand what vapor is. Okay, see, if you see the picture here in this book, near the kettle, there's a kettle shown.
Yes.
And can you see that vapor going?
Yes.
That is vapor. Okay? Yes. So the father tells Ahona that when the water gets heated up, it changes to vapor form and it rises up. It rises up and it forms clouds. Okay? And this water accumulates. It all gets inside the clouds, and when the cloud becomes heavy, full of water, it comes down as rain. Okay? Now, when you come to third standard, you will learn something called the water cycle. Okay? Water cycle, and you will learn how it rains. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So the father tells that when it is hot, water goes up in the air as vapor and collects in the sky and forms clouds. Now, when the clouds become heavy, when there is too much of vapor inside the cloud, too much of water inside the cloud, it comes down as rainfall. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, but what does Ahona say? Ahona says, I don't understand. Ahona is just a very small girl. She's just 3 years old. So she cannot understand if I tell her water vapor and clouds and all that. She cannot understand. So she tells her father, I don't understand all this. And I am not happy with this reply. This is not how it rains. But the father says, you will understand when you grow up. Isn't that what your parents tell you every time? When you grow up, you will understand. Yes. So the same thing her father tells Ahona, when you grow up, you will understand. And he goes back to reading his newspaper. So much, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Shall we read the paragraphs?
Yes.
Yes. So, Stain, can you read the first paragraph? Unmute. How will I hear?
Three. Little
Ahona.
Anona was 3 years old. One day she was sitting near the window and looking outside. It was raining. All the flowers and grass looking fresh and green. She asked her father, Papa, why does it rain?
Okay, enough.
Ma'am,
Mute your mic.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Devarsh, read the second paragraph.
Papa, but set
Aside.
aside
Hmm.
his
Newspaper.
newspaper and said, when it is hot, the air water goes and collects in the sky and becomes cloud. When
I can't hear you, Devarsh. Please read a little louder.
heavy up in the air
As vapor.
as vapor and collects
In the sky.
in the sky, becomes
And becomes clouds.
clouds. When the clouds
Become
to
Heavy.
Heavy
Hmm.
is
Hmm.
starts
Hmm.
to rain.
Hmm.
Ahon
Hmm.
was not happy with
Hmm.
this reply.
Hmm.
I don't understand,
Hmm.
she said.
Hmm. You will understand.
You will understand
Hmm.
when
Hmm.
you
Hmm.
grow
Hmm.
up,
Hmm.
said
Hmm.
Papa.
Hmm.
Then he went back
Hmm.
to
Hmm.
reading his newspaper.
Okay. Advait.
Ma'am, can I mute?
Yes. Advait, first paragraph.
Little Ahana was 3 years old. One day she
Hmm.
walks,
Hmm.
sitting
Hmm.
near the window
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
looking outside. It was raining. All the
Hmm.
flowers
Hmm.
and grass
Hmm.
looked fresh
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
green.
Hmm.
She
Hmm.
asked
Hmm. Hmm.
her father,
Hmm.
Papa,
Hmm.
why
Hmm.
does
Hmm.
it rain?
Hmm. Okay. What were the two wrong words you read? Which two words were wrong, Advait? You read it properly. The pronunciation was wrong. Which was that word? Two words. Can you tell me which were the two words?
Sitting.
No. What is Looked?
Look.
Huh?
Looked.
Looked or looked?
Looked. Looked.
Ah, then why did you read looked? Which was the other word? Asked. What is it?
Asked. Asked.
Ah,
Asked.
asked. Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
When you're reading, no, Advait, don't use so much of pressure on your voice. Okay, read softly. It's okay. Okay. I think you're straining yourself too much. It sounds like you're scolding me when you're reading.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, Rida. Please read the second paragraph. Annam, you can read after that.
Papa put aside his newspaper and said, when it is hot, water goes up in the air
Hmm.
as vapor
Hmm.
and collects in the sky and becomes cloud. When the clouds become too heavy, it starts to rain. Anna was not happy with this reply. I don't understood.
Understand.
Understand.
Mm.
We are said.
Ah, she asked or she said?
She said,
Then.
"You will understand
Mm.
when you grow up,"
Mm.
said Papa. Then he went back to reading his newspaper.
Okay, very good. Unknown, yes, first paragraph.
Little Anna was 3 years old. One day she was sitting near the window and looking outside. It was raining.
Mm.
All the flowers and green grass looked fresh and green.
Mm.
She asked her Papa,
Mm.
uh, Father, Papa, why does it rain? Papa
Mm.
put his newspaper
Mm.
and said when it is hot, water goes up in the air, was vapor, and collect in the sky and becomes clouds. When the clouds become too heavy, it starts to rain. Anna was not happy with this reply. I don't understand, she said. You will understand when you grow up, said Papa. When she went back to reading his paper.
Okay. Next, Afreen, can you read the first paragraph?
Yes, ma'am. Little Eva was 3 years old. One day she was sitting near the window and looking outside. It was raining. All the flowers and grass looked fresh and green. She asked her father, Papa, why does it rain?
Okay, okay, enough, enough. Thank you. Uh, Reeve, Reeve, please read the second paragraph.
Yes, ma'am. You, ma'am,
Yes.
second paragraph where
Papa put aside his newspaper from that.
Papa put aside his newspaper and said, when it is hot, water grows up in the air and vapor and collects in the sky and becomes good when
Becomes clouds.
become cloud
Clouds.
clouds when the clouds become too heavy in stay to rain. Anoha was not happy with this reply. I don't understand, she said. You will understand when you grow up, said Papa. And he went back to reading his newspaper.
Okay. Genesia, first paragraph. Janicia, first paragraph.
Little Hannah was 3 years old.
Hmm.
One day, she was sitting near the window
Hmm.
and looking outside.
Hmm.
It was raining.
Hmm.
All the flowers
Hmm.
and grass
Hmm.
looked
Hmm.
fresh and
Hmm.
green.
Hmm.
She asked her father, Papa,
Hmm.
why does it
Hmm.
rain?
Hmm. Okay, okay.
ഇത് വായിക്കാൻ
Sarah,
Ma'am, can I?
who is that? Daksha.
Daksha.
Daksha, I will give you chance after Sarah, okay? Let Sarah read first. Yes, Sarah, second paragraph. Unmute, Sarah. Yes, read the second paragraph.
Papa,
Hmm?
put side
Hmm.
aside his
Hmm.
newspaper
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
said,
Hmm.
then when
Hmm.
it is hot
Hmm.
water
Hmm.
goes
Hmm.
you
Up.
up
Hmm.
in
Hmm.
the
Hmm.
air
Hmm.
as
Hmm.
paper
Collects.
colors
Hmm.
and
Hmm. Collects in the sky and becomes clouds. Okay. Yes. Okay. Enough. Enough, Sarah. Daksha.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, Daksha, read from when the clouds become too heavy.
When the clouds become too heavy,
Hmm.
she said,
Hmm. When the clouds become heavy, it starts to.
it starts to
Hmm. You can't find it, Daksha. Okay, read from the first paragraph.
little
Hmm. What happened? Not able to read. Okay, today you practice reading at home. I will give you a chance next class. Okay. Anthony, first paragraph.
yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Read first paragraph.
Let is
Hmm.
little
Hmm.
Sona
Saumya. Who is Saumya? Little Ahona.
Ahona
Uh,
was
hmm.
3
Hmm.
Yes, all.
Mm.
One
Mm.
day,
Mm.
one day, she was
Mm.
sitting
Mm.
on the window
Mm.
and
Mm.
looking
Why are you so scared, Anthony? It's okay, read. No problem. You read.
outside.
Mm.
It was
Mm.
raining
Mm.
on the flowers
Mm.
and
Mm.
grass.
Mm.
Why does it rain? Looked
Mm.
fresh
Mm.
and
Mm.
green.
Mm.
She
Mm.
asked
Mm.
her
Mm.
father,
Mm.
Papa,
Mm.
why
Mm.
does
Mm. It rain.
it rain?
You need more practice. Okay, Anthony.
Yes.
You have to read more and more. Okay, now please take the book where you write the meanings. If you write it in your textbook, you can write it in your textbook. Otherwise, your notebook. No problem. Wherever you write.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, Mitra.
I don't have textbook.
Why you don't have textbook?
My textbook is my mother's home.
Where are you? Father's home.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. So you can write it in your rough book.
Okay.
Okay.
Correct. Correct.
New.
What happened, Anthony?
No.
Hmm? Not writing? Fresh means new. The grass looked fresh and green. It looked new and green. Okay, and the other word that we have is vapor. Vapor I am giving you just for you to understand, okay? It's a little complicated. I'm just giving you to understand. It is water that has turned from liquid to gas. This is only for you to understand. This vapor meaning is only for you to understand. It is water that has turned from liquid to gas. Okay. So first 2 paragraphs, please practice reading for the next class. Next class is on Wednesday. So for that class, please practice reading these 2 paragraphs.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Can I stop share?
Yes.
Has everybody written?
No.
Okay, okay, okay. Right, right, right.
Let's see.
Finish, ma'am. Water
Fresh means new and vapor is water that has turned from liquid form to gas form.
Ma'am,
Yes?
this right 10 times.
Yes, you have to write and study. Don't write and study vapor, okay? Only fresh. Vapor is only for you to understand. I will not ask that meaning for exam. Okay? Vapor, you just write and study the spelling, meaning, just understand the meaning. But fresh, you have to know the meaning also. Okay? Okay. Vapor spelling you have to study. The meaning is okay. You just have to understand. Okay?
Okay.
So can we wind up here for today?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.